Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and welcome back to my channel. A few months back I made this video where I told you all about CGMC except for some parts. So here we are with the second video on
extracurricular activities, organizations, camps and committees in CGMC.
So let's begin with the video. कॉलेज में स्पोर्ट्स की बात करूँ तो मेनली आउटडोर गेम्स ज़्यादा खेले जाते हैं लाइक वॉलीबॉल, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल. विद इन द कॉलेज वी हैव अ ग्राउंड वेयर वी प्ले वॉलीबॉल. बाकी फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट एक बड़े मैदान में खेला जाता है विच इज़ चांदा क्लब ग्राउंड विच इज़ नॉट इन द कैंपस बट एट अ शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द कॉलेज इटसेल्फ. आई एम फ्रॉम द 20 बैच एंड हमारा फर्स्ट स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट हुआ था GFC के टाइम पे विच इज़ गणेश फेस्टिवल. आई ऑलरेडी मेड ए वीडियो ऑन इट. अगर आपको देखना हो तो आई बटन से जाके देख सकते हो. For basketball, we had a court earlier in the college itself, but construction के चलते वो court बंद हो गया. And we play basketball in the nearby district stadium, which is again not much far from the college campus. Talking about the cultural programs, we haven't missed a single festival last year, except for चलो आगे देख लेना. Our seniors made every effort to make sure that we enjoy every aspect of college life. I have already shared most of the celebrations with you except for the freshers party. Yes, we had our freshers on 8th of October. There's a difference between GT, that is get together, and a freshers party. GT is something which the batch arranges for themselves, whereas freshers is given to the juniors by the seniors. We enjoyed that day totally, and definitely the memories of that night will be cherished lifelong by us. Now coming to the only thing that we missed out last year, that is the annual fest. It's a grand event comprising of many different activities. हमने तो experience नहीं किया, but these are some pictures from the last year of fest. We have two main organizations run by the students of GMC itself. इसमें सबसे पहले आता है पहल, रास्ता उम्मीद का. इसके तहत ऐसे बच्चों को नीट की फ्री में कोचिंग दी जाती है जो बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट्स की मोटी तगड़ी फीस भर नहीं पाते. एंड वी एज अ टीम हेल्प देम टू चेज एंड अचीव देयर ड्रीम्स. पहल वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 2018 बाय द 2015 बैच. पर इसमें काम करने वाले लोग 2015 से लेकर 2020 बैच तक है. सो इट्स एन इनिशिएटिव बाय द GMC स्टूडेंट्स टुवर्ड्स द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. The second organization working in the college is Pehal Eco Warriors. This was started just recently in 2021, but again, every batch of GMC is a part of this. We work with our seniors under their guidance and get to learn a lot of things from them. The motto of this organization is working for the conservation of the environment and creating awareness among the people for the same. Under this, many plantation drives, cleanliness drives are held in the campus as well as in the surrounding areas of the city. पहल अगर बच्चों के आने वाले कल के लिए काम करता है तो पहल इको वॉरियर्स पर्यावरण के आने वाले कल के लिए. So this is how these two organizations work hand in hand, cultivating a sense of responsibility in us right from the first year. हमारे कैंप्स ज़्यादातर निर्माण और सर्च के होते हैं which is an initiative started by Dr. Rani Bang and Dr. Abhay Bang in the Gadchiroli district. We haven't got a chance to visit there in first year, but our seniors have attended them in the past few years, and the experience they have had cannot be described in words. Then there are some other camps also which are held around the year. There are many committees in the college to carry out and manage different activities around the year. And here are some of them. You can join any committee which you want as per your interest. Inter-college quiz competitions भी होती है. And also last year our college secured first rank in the state level surgery quiz competition. This is the district civil hospital of Chandrapur. हम अपनी पोस्टिंग्स के लिए यहीं पे जाते हैं. The hospital is not in the college campus. It is in the busy area of the main city. हॉस्पिटल में पेशेंट फ्लो अच्छा है क्योंकि चंद्रपुर आसपास के गाँव के लिए मेन डिस्ट्रिक्ट बन जाता है और कभी कभार भीड़ ज़्यादा होने पर बेड्स भी अवेलेबल नहीं रहते. मोस्टली केसेस देखने मिल जाती है, पर कुछ केसेस बहुत कॉमन होती है, जैसे स्नेक बाइट, टीबी, सिकल सेल, ओपी पॉइजनिंग. This information is on the basis of what our seniors told us, because as we were in first year, we did not have a chance to go to the hospital. Now this is the biggest and the commonest doubt asked in the comment section कि हमारा कैंपस कब शिफ्ट हो रहा है. To be very honest, actually ये किसी को नहीं पता है. We haven't got any official notice about shifting of the campus, and different people have different opinions about it. Some say it will start by the end of this year, and some say it won't by the next 2-3 years also. अब वो तो साइट पर जाकर ही पता चलेगा कि कंस्ट्रक्शन कितना पूरा हुआ है, कितना नहीं. And I'll do this most probably after my exams are over, that is after 15th of March. By the way, these pictures are from the year 2020. Well, that's it for this video. If I missed out something, then please let me know in the comment section. वीडियो ज़रा सी भी इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो प्लीज़ शेयर करो. Okay, thank you. Bye.